Quick tips for creating email copy that converts. When it comes to your email marketing campaign, the copy is one of the top determining factors on whether your campaign succeeds or fails. The email has become a vital component of online marketing for any business. If you are looking to increase opens, clicks, and conversions with your email marketing campaigns, here are some quick tips for creating copy that converts. Keep it simple. You have mere seconds to capture the attention of your audiences, so you want to make sure that you use simple copy in all your emails, as well as on your landing pages. Don't use complicated words or industry jargon in your text. Instead, you want to write as if you are speaking to a friend. Make it scannable. The last thing you want to do is overwhelm your reader with long paragraphs and tons of copy. Create a design for your emails that break up your text into shorter sections with punchy subheads and numbered or bulleted lists. This will allow the reader to quickly read through the email and grasp the message you are trying to get across. Talk about benefits instead of features. You want to write compelling copy that lets the reader know what's in it for them. You can do this by talking about how your product or service will benefit them rather than merely listing all the features. Use more you and less we. You always want to keep the focus of your copy on your readers, rather than providing unnecessary information about you or your company. Those who have subscribed to your emails are looking for how your products are going to meet their needs and how they can help them. You can do this by being more customer-centric and using the word "you" more in your email copy. Align the copy with the subject line. If you can get your subscribers to open your emails, then you need to make sure you deliver on what you promised in the subject line. If you don't, you will more than likely lose their trust. You have to make sure that the copy of your email is in line with the subject line, as well as the pre-header. Use SEO keywords judiciously. It is always important to use keywords in your email copy that will boost your readers' interest as well as increase your chances of success with search engines. However, you need to make sure your content is useful and well-written, and you have to avoid trying to fit in too many keywords that don't belong. If you want to increase the success of your email marketing campaigns, then you have to create copy that converts. These 6 quick tips can help you create the kind of text for your email campaigns that successfully convert more customers.